Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone problem on your iOS and Android device. First up here on iOS device, as you can see, now to basically fix the issue, you will need to go to your settings. So go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down here and find the application. So this is the TikTok app. So find the TikTok right from here and then tap on it. Now, once you've done, click on the TikTok app. As you can see, you will find a microphone and camera. So you'll need to allow this by enabling or toggling it on. So toggle on the microphone and camera to allow this permissions to your application. Now let's go to your Android device. So open up your settings on your Android phone and then go to apps and then select manage apps or apps management. Then here you just need to wait for a few seconds, then go to the search box and type TikTok and then go to this application. Scroll down, then find the app permissions. So here you'll find the allowed and not allowed section. So go to not allowed and select on camera and microphone. And then for example, here in camera, so tap on allow only while using the app. So same with the microphone here. So tap again the allow only while using the app. So there you go. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.